Hello everyone, welcome back to Archi Tools. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to download, install and connect Twinmotion with Revit. What is Twinmotion? So Twinmotion is a real-time rendering and visualization software powered by the Unreal Engine. It allows architects and professionals to create high-quality renders, animations, VR walkthroughs, and presentations directly from Revit models. The best part is, Revit now comes with built-in Twinmotion integration, making the workflow much faster and smoother. So before downloading Twinmotion, first check your Revit version. This is very important because Twinmotion versions are compatible with specific Revit versions only. For example, Revit 2025 works best with Twinmotion 2024.1. If you install the wrong version, Twinmotion may not open inside Revit. Now let's download Twinmotion. First, open your browser and go to Autodesk account. Log in with your Autodesk account, then go to Products and Services. Here, search for Twinmotion for Revit. Click Access and it will redirect you to the Epic Games download page. Now download the Epic Games launcher. Install the launcher, sign in with your Epic Games account and then open the Twinmotion tab. From here, install the compatible Twinmotion version for your Revit. Once the download is complete, start the installation. Choose the installation location and continue with the default settings. Twinmotion installation may take some time depending on your internet speed and the system performance. Also, make sure you have at least 30 GB free storage, minimum 6 GB dedicated graphics memory, and a compatible GPU for smooth rendering. After installation, restart your system once. Now open Revit. Go to any 3D view first. This is important because Twinmotion won't launch from the plan views. Many of the users usually face this kind of issue. Now go to View tab, Twinmotion, open in Twinmotion. Revit will automatically launch Twinmotion and establish a live link connection between both the softwares. Now choose New Project and your Revit model will start syncing with Twinmotion. If your Twinmotion is not opening inside Revit, here are a few quick fixes. Make sure your Revit version and Twinmotion version are compatible. Update Revit to the latest hotfix. Always open a 3D view before launching Twinmotion. Restart the system after installation. Restart Twinmotion if the plugin is missing. These fixes solve most installation issues. So that's how you can properly download, install and connect Twinmotion with Revit. If you want full video on how to render on Twinmotion, do check out complete Twinmotion tutorial starting from 0 to pro level. Link is in the description. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and share it with your architecture and BIM community. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.